Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play the smoothie minigame in Dress to Impress game of Roblox Summer Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to teleport to the free play mode, and then you're going to go to this area and talk to this NPC. You're going to start the game right here, and then you're going to serve smoothie. Okay, we need to serve up smoothie to the girls. Okay, we need this fruit. Okay, you can carry more than one fruit, and you need to be so quick like this. And then I'm going to serve for the other girls. This one and this one. And yeah, just do it as fast as possible. Okay, wow, that's pretty fun, but we need to be very quick. Okay, I'm gonna take this fruit and this one, and then click on the machine. And for this one I need watermelon and this green fruit. Okay, I'm gonna make it here. And yeah, just like this guys, serve as many as you can, and then you'll get the flowers as your reward. Oh my god. Oh, and I think it will be better if you play with your friend. Oh my god, I need to drop the item because it's not right. And okay guys, that's how you can play the smoothie mini game in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.